Are you looking for the best drones under $100? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best drones under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DEERC D20S FPV Mini Drones. The DEERC D20S is a versatile and beginner-friendly mini drone equipped with a 1080p HD camera, perfect for capturing high-quality aerial photos and videos. Its 90 degrees adjustable camera angle and gesture control features make shooting effortless and fun. Designed for both kids and adults, this foldable RC quadcopter is powered by durable brushless motors, offering strong wind resistance, quieter operation, and smoother performance, rare in drones at this price point. Despite weighing only 101 grams, the D20S is packed with smart features. Its Wi-Fi connectivity supports real-time FPV streaming, while the customizable flight path, gravity control, and optical flow positioning allow for more stable and interactive flying. 2 included batteries extend the flight time up to 30 minutes, making it great for casual use or extended play. Ideal for beginners, the D20S features 1-button takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and 3-speed modes. It can also perform exciting 360 degrees flips, high-speed spins, and even circle flights using a set center point in the app. With a compact and portable design, helpful training features, and a full kit of accessories, including extra blades, batteries, and a storage box, the DEERC D20S makes a perfect gift for kids, first-time flyers, or anyone looking to explore drone photography. Number 2. Holy Stone HS110D FPV RC Drone. The Holy Stone HS110D is an ideal beginner-friendly camera drone, designed to offer an easy and stable flying experience for users aged 14 and up. Equipped with a 1080p HD FPV camera and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, it captures distortion-free, high-quality photos and videos that can be instantly viewed and shared through the mobile app. With features like altitude hold, the drone hovers steadily at a set height, allowing you to focus on shooting without having to constantly adjust the controls. The headless mode simplifies navigation by aligning the drone's direction with the pilot's perspective, which is especially helpful when the drone is out of sight. The HS110D also supports 3D flips, adding a fun and dynamic element to your flights. Control is made even more intuitive through the mobile app, enabling voice commands, gesture control for photo and video capture, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor control for an interactive flying experience. With 2 modular batteries, you get up to 20 minutes of total flight time, and the battery design makes swapping and charging safer and more convenient. Lightweight at just 149 grams, the HS110D is portable, feature-rich, and perfect for kids, teens, and drone beginners looking to explore aerial photography and enjoy easy piloting. Number 3. Loolinn Kids Drones. The Loolinn Z3 drone is a beginner-friendly and beautifully designed mini drone, perfect for kids and teenagers who are just getting started with drone flying. Equipped with optical flow positioning technology, it offers intelligent hover capability, allowing the drone to automatically stay in place and capture stable, clear 720p video footage. Its sleek, lightweight build combined with protective rotor guards makes it both safe and durable for young users. What truly sets the Z3 apart is its impressive 60-minute total flight time, thanks to the inclusion of 3 rechargeable batteries, each providing around 20 minutes of flight. That's more than 50% longer battery life compared to many other beginner drones. The 3D flip function adds excitement to every flight, and the responsive controls make it super easy to fly, even for first-timers. This drone includes everything needed to get started: a remote control, smartphone holder, extra propellers, 2 USB chargers, and a user manual. Whether it's for a birthday or a holiday, the Loolinn Z3 makes a fantastic gift that introduces young users to the joy of flying and aerial photography in a safe, fun, and engaging way. Number 4. SYMA FPV Camera Drone. The SYMA X300 is a sleek and beginner-friendly camera drone designed for kids and first-time flyers, combining advanced features with user-friendly controls. It comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera and FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission, allowing users to capture crisp photos and videos and share them instantly via social media with just one click. The SYMA app adds a creative twist with smart control features, including flight path mode. Simply draw a route on your phone and the drone will follow it automatically. Thanks to optical flow positioning, the X300 offers greater stability during hover and flight, ensuring smoother footage and more precise movements. With built-in altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff, landing, this drone is incredibly easy to operate, even for young beginners. Safety is also a priority. The X300 includes low voltage and overcurrent protection, plus propeller guards for added durability during flights. Weighing just 4.5 ounces, it's lightweight yet powerful, and the two included batteries provide up to 40 minutes of total flight time. Whether you're exploring drone photography or gifting a tech-savvy child, the SYMA X300 offers a reliable, fun, and educational flying experience. Number 5. Holy Stone FPV Drone. The Holy Stone HS280D is a compact and feature-rich FPV drone, perfect for both kids and adults who want an easy and fun flying experience. Equipped with durable brushless motors, it offers better wind resistance, quieter operation, and more powerful flight performance, while avoiding the common issue of motor burnout found in traditional drones. The 1080p HD camera delivers clear, high-quality video and images, making it ideal for capturing memorable moments from above. With two modular batteries, the HS280D offers up to 28 minutes of total flight time, and a low battery warning on the remote ensures beginners never lose track of their drone. It's packed with beginner-friendly features like one-key takeoff, landing, tap fly, altitude hold, headless mode, 2-speed modes, and emergency stop, making it super accessible for first-time pilots. The drone also supports gesture control for quick selfies. Just raise your hand or flash a V sign, and path drawing via the app, letting the drone follow a custom flight route. Its foldable and lightweight design, only 164 grams, makes it highly portable and CAA registration free, so you can take it wherever you go. Whether for travel, training, or just pure fun, the Holy Stone HS280D is a smart choice for hassle-free aerial adventure.